Then friends, today we have the newspaper of 13 July 2024 and the first news is about Kejriwal get interim bail in Delhi excise policy case. Next news is about June inflation quickened to 9.4%, retail price gain rebound to 5.1%. Next news is about the centralized recruitment for tribal residential school leading to language cultural barrier. And it is about the international level and Prachanda lose trust vote in the Nepali, only said to be lead new government. SC order demolish fake excise case say AAP, CM is not exonerated yet, BJP. After Manusmriti Row, DU clear other amendment to law faculty syllabus. BJP protest over hike electric bills. This is the domestic, not much constructive. LG thinks he is a court. SC slame Saxena on feeling of tree in dealing rich area. Mamta meet Uddhav says NDA government may not last long. Jagan IPS officers book for custodial torture of ex-MP. SC post Karnataka plea on relief fund after 4 weeks. Kajiranga's women forest guard ensure safety passes for flood hit animals by patrolling highway. Open it regulate traffic. SC to Haryana on blockade in Sambhu border area. The verdict of 2024 is amplified message. The PDS impact on household expenditures. India did well to assert its tie with Russia, but the optics were bad. And there must be a better monitoring of road witness of transport and vehicle. Freedom and the control in Xinjiang. Let's talk about the atrocities done by China in Xinjiang and their cultural wipeout of identity of Xinjiang people that belong to the Muslim community. Dovel and Sullivan hold talk amid strain in Thai over Russia. Net tax receipt up 19.5% or paid tax year in 36.6 year. Central amend rule to broaden the administrative role of Jammu and Kashmir LG. NIA charge sheet person is IS terror conspiracy case. Video clip shown trainee IS officer's mother branding gun and threatening farmer. Center declared June 25 as Samvidhan Hatya Divas. What is Modi's position on billionaire tax? Asks Congress. ED cannot make arrest under PMLA on a whim, say Supreme Court. Content determined by volunteer editor, say Wikipedia parent. India shows good progress on SDGs, Niti Aayog report. It is very important. India-US tech partnership will grow to the hundreds of millions of dollars. It is important for India-US relations. No controversial checks will be included in DU syllabus, say Pradhan. GST system reform panel rejiged. Durable foam output surge lift May IP to 7-month high. Boost finance for green project. Auto sale rise to 16.4% in quarter night to more than 64 lakh units in SME. Amid deadlock in parliament, PM vote to guard against extreme. And Kathmandu 63 missing after Nepali landslide swept 2 buses into a river. Japan pushes defense official for mishandling classified data. Philippines will be stand ground in South China Sea dispute official. Oli set to return to power in Nepal as Maoist leader Prachanda wing options. More Democrat call on Biden to quit race after his new conference. Imran Khan PTI party eligible for reserve seat in Pak Parliament. Independent government must run post-war Gaza. That's from my side, friends. See you soon.